Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas number 19. Yay! So I know, like 2 videos in one day. Oh my god, that's crazy, girl. I know. So I'm basically catching up for Vlogmas because I missed one video one time. Ridiculous, I know. But this is gonna be a super fun video because, sorry, I have a lot of super high energy because I just ate. I'm like, whoop, re-energized. So, I'm actually gonna be trying Charlotte Tilbury for the very first time, and I've heard great things about this brand. This is the Party Girl kit that I'm gonna be trying. And it has mascara, it has a lippy, it has eyeliner, I think it has like a shadow as well. So let's just jump right into this. And again, this is the first impressions of Charlotte Tilbury. Woohoo! Now, this is one of my Christmas gifts that I bought myself. So happy early Christmas gift to me. Okay, so to start off, I'm actually gonna start off with, ooh. Well, this just jumped out at me, so what is it? Well, I'm actually gonna start with lips because I've been dying to try the Pillow Talk. So, let's start with, this is the Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in the color Pillow Talk. Oops. Okay, so it's kind of like a pinky nude. Oh my god, I have glitter on my nose. Ah, okay. So it goes on very smoothly. You don't have to put like too much pressure and it glides on pretty good. So already I'm in love with this lip liner. So amazing so far. Now let's try, this is the Pillow Talk lipstick. And a teeny tiny little lipstick. This is it right here. Okay. Oh my god, this is like velvet. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I'm absolutely in love with this color. Let me actually zoom you in a little bit. This is such a pretty color, guys. Like, it's kind of like a pinky nude, just like I like it. But it's more pinky than nude. So loving the lip products so far. Oh my god. Now we're gonna move on to eyes. So I'm gonna take my glasses off. So if I look a little bit like this, it's because I can't see anything. But this is the Amber Haze for brown eyes. And since I have brown eyes, it's gonna be perfect. So let's check it out, shall we? Oh my god, you don't even have to like put too much effort into it. The color payoff is amazing. Wow. Such a pretty color. I don't know if you can see that, but that's beautiful. Okay, so far I am loving everything. So far I've used the lip liner in Pillow Talk, the lipstick in Pillow Talk, and the eyeshadow stick, which is in the color Chameleon. And that went on so smoothly. I didn't have to like tug at my eyelids or anything, so perfection. And I don't know if you can tell, but like I have some like subtle glitter in it too, and I'm just like, oh my god, it's freaking beautiful. So far so good. We still have eyeliner and mascara, so let's go ahead and pop this out. Now this is in the color Bedroom Black. Okay, so I'm not crazy about like kohl eyeliners. I do liquid liners, but I mean, we'll try it out, why not? Haven't done kohl liner in such a long time. Okay, this is amazing because you don't even have to like hardly put any pressure on this. Like that's insane. Okay. Loving the eyeliner as well. It's very smooth, but not too smooth that it's like slick and slippery and going all over the place. I can tell that this is definitely going to stay put. Okay, so last thing is the mascara. Okay, and I'm very picky about my mascara. This says 5-star mascara, curl separation, volume, length, full fat lashes is what it's called. Actually, okay, let's see. Okay, so let me just zoom you in here because this is such a big difference. I don't know if you can tell. I'm not sure why it's not focusing, but oh my God, can you like tell a difference between my eyes? Like, wow, that's crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for a minute. I know it looks kind of weird. Whoa, okay. I know it looks kind of weird, but I'm gonna finish it, don't worry. But like, how amazing is Charlotte Tilbury? Jesus, I'm so happy that I got to try it, and I got to try it in like sample sizes because stuff is not cheap, okay? It's very quality stuff, and sometimes you have to pay quality money, but yeah, I'm really, really loving it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video on my first impressions. I'm very surprised, like in a good, happy way, that this came out really well, and I wasn't like, oh my God, I hate it, because I would have been really sad, especially because it's my Christmas present. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, this Vlogmas that I put up. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos, and make sure that you hit the little bell icon so that it'll tell you right away when I post. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.